Welcome to Python programming. In this module, you will learn variables and data types, and also build your own BioCube profile script.
In this chapter you will learn about variables and data type in Python. Variables and data types. What is a variable? Think of a variable as a label on a container that holds some data. You create a variable by giving it a name and putting a value inside. In Python, it looks like this: name equals Raja. Age equals 25, height equal 5.9, is underscore student equals true. Name holds text, called a string, notice the quotes. Age holds a whole number, integer. Height holds a decimal number, float. Is underscore student holds a true/false value, boolean. You can check a variable's type using type, print, type, name, hashtag class str. Print, type, age, hashtag class int. Why use variable? They let you store information so your program can remember it and use it later, like a player score or your name. Valid variable names. Python has some rules for naming variables. White heavy checkmark must start with a letter or underscore. White heavy checkmark can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Crossmark cannot start with a number. Crossmark cannot use Python's built-in keywords like if, while, class, etc. Examples: user underscore name equals Amit hashtag valid. User2 equals Ria hashtag valid. 2nd underscore user equals error. Hashtag crossmark invalid starts with number. Project. Write a simple program that asks for your name, age, and favorite hobby, then prints a fun personalized message.